It was interesting, very interesting. It needs a lot of focus, one, and it really needs someone to push you, like Maahek Nair did for me.
Thank you so much.
Praveen sir did it for me in the first class.
This is Anju Bansal from Gurgaon, and I have finished my 90 days base program, and you can see the transformation. So you can see,
First, in a pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. To that, we're going to add some mustard seeds, green chili, and Zeera. Saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's well done, we're going to add some curry leaves. Mix it well. Next, we're going to add some chopped onion, about half a cup. Saute it for the next 1 minute on a medium flame. Now add salt and little of turmeric as per taste. Now we're going to add cabbage to the same. That's about 2 cups. Now cover the same and cook the same for the next 5 to 8 minutes on slow to medium flame. And our cabbage is well done. I'm going to add some chopped coriander to the same and give it a nice mix. Optional, you can also add some grated coconut if you wish to. And before I serve the same, I'm going to add half a lime juice to the same. And our cabbage, which is the Vishu special recipe, is ready.